Hey fellow foodies, it's Faye from faysfood.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade fried mozzarella sticks. It's the ultimate appetizer in my opinion, and it's so easy to make. Okay, so this is so simple. What you want to start out with is some all-purpose flour in a bowl. We're going to add some Italian seasoning to it. Okay, I'm going to also add in a little bit of salt. And then I'm going to grind in some freshly ground black pepper. Okay, I'm going to give this a mix. And just mix it until everything's combined. Now we have the bowl with our breadcrumbs. I'm using panko breadcrumbs as well as Italian breadcrumbs. You can use any combination you like. I'm adding in some black pepper. Also a bit of Italian seasoning. And just a bit of salt. We don't want to add too much because there is some salt in the Italian breadcrumbs. So give this a toss until it's combined. I'm telling you, once you try homemade mozzarella sticks, there is no going back to that frozen garbage. You will forever want to make them at home. For the eggs, you just combine the eggs and milk. Simple enough. All right, we'll set it aside. And really all you need is some cheese sticks, the regular cheese sticks you see at the supermarket. We're going to unwrap these and then cut them in half. I just like cutting them in half because I find that they're easier to fry this way. They're easier to handle, easier to dip. They're better this way. So I do cut them in half. And then I take a couple pieces at a time and then place it in the flour. So now we're going to just dredge them. Standard breading procedure. Just coat them really well in the flour. Shake off the excess. Shake off any excess flour and then put it into the eggs. Okay, once they're in the egg mixture, you want to really coat them well. Shake off the excess. And then what we're going to do is just move them to the breadcrumb mixture. See how easy this is so far? And then when they're in the breadcrumb mixture, you just toss them really well until they're well coated. Now I do dredge these things twice, and the reason why is because I do find that they have better coverage that way, as well as a crunchier texture in the end. So you don't have to double dredge, but I do. So after I coat these in the breadcrumbs, I'm going to put them back in the flour and repeat the process. And then I'll move on to the next set of cheese sticks. You can see that's through one, not much coverage, so I do it again. So once you double dredge them, you can go ahead and place them on a plate. And then what you want to do is just wrap the whole thing in plastic wrap, freeze it for at least 30 minutes or up to an hour. But you definitely do want to freeze it. This will help keep the breading mixture onto the cheese sticks. Right, so out of the fridge, they've been in there for about 40 minutes. The oil is ready to go and we are ready to fry these bad boys. So the oil is at 375. I'm gonna just kind of put a few at a time. You don't want to overfill the pot with the cheese sticks because really whenever you fry something you don't want to overfill it because you don't want the temperature to go down dramatically, which is what will happen if you overfill it. So just put in a few at a time. And then I kind of toss it around with the tongs a bit every now and then. And you're looking for a golden brown color as well as a little bit of the cheese to just start oozing out. That's when you immediately want to pull them out of the oil. And you can see I have a paper lined plate for them to get on because I want them to drain a bit. See that beautiful color? That's what we're looking for. Okay, and immediately out of the oil, I do add some black pepper and pecorino romano cheese. But once again, the full recipe will be on the blog. Okay, so I just continue to fry them till they're all done. You do want to enjoy these warm. That's when they're at their best. You can see how easy it is and how worth it will be once you taste them. Dip it in some marinara sauce, some ranch, and you're good to go. For the full recipe, go to faysfood.com. Hit that notification bell to keep up with my videos. Subscribe to this channel for more great videos on the way. Comment below any comments or questions. I'd love to hear from you. And like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. And until next time, guys, you have a wonderful day.
You know I ain't tryna say no dreams. I'm just tryna make this money. I ain't tryna share with the team. Girl, I ain't tryna take nothing from you.